Every letter you send is a chance to look established, and a plain Word doc throws that chance away. Sound familiar? Vyroq's Brand Kit turns that around in one click. Open Brand Kit and click the Letterhead tab. You'll see 2 deliverables to choose from: Letterhead document for your correspondence, or Brochure for a multi-page marketing piece. Pick Letterhead document. Choose your page size, A4 or US letter, then hit Generate for 4 credits. Vyroq writes and designs a complete letterhead around your logo and brand colors. No template hunting required. Once it's ready, you'll see a full preview, complete with your details built right in. Want it different? Describe the change. Add my phone number to the footer, say, and click Regenerate. 4 more credits, and it comes back exactly as you asked. Then grab both formats, download PDF for print, download editable DOCX for anything you still want to tweak by hand. That's professional correspondence done in minutes, not days. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.